In this video, I will discuss about measurement. The metric system is more commonly used in science than the English system. The International System of Units, otherwise known as the SI units, which evolved from the metric system. So it provides additional and more accurate units of measurement. Its features include decimalization and the use of prefixes. The international system has base units from which all other units in the system are derived. The standards for the base units, except for the kilogram, are defined by the unchanging and reproducible physical occurrences. The English system, which is still widely used in the United States, includes ounce, pound, inch, mile, and quart. So we have here a table which shows the fundamental SI units. So we have a column for quantity, seems true with the unit or the base units, as well as their corresponding symbols. And another table for metric and English conversion. So we have a column for quantity, seems true with metric and English together with their corresponding conversions. Now, let us proceed with the changing units of measurement. We have here the basic steps for solving mathematical problems involving changing units of measurement. 1. Read and study the problem to determine what is to be solved. 2. Identify and tabulate the data given in the problem. Include the necessary representations of the data and the units of measurement. 3. Determine the unit relationships and the conversion factors needed to solve the problem. 4. Set up the solution or equation neatly and logically, making sure that unwanted units cancel. Remember that similar units cancel through division. 5. Perform the necessary mathematical operations. Make sure that the answer contains the correct number of significant figures. And lastly, check if the answer is reasonable. For you to further understand changing units of measurement, let us have some examples. Example 1. Calculate the number of centimeters in 53.5 inches. For the given, measurement in inches which is 53.5 inches. Then for the required, measurement expressed in centimeters. Therefore, we will convert inches to centimeters. For the solution, we need to look at the metric and English conversions. As we can see, there is a direct conversion of inches to centimeter. So in 1 inch, there are 2.54 centimeters. So for the solution, so that is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So 53.5 inches now times the conversion factor, which is 2.54 centimeter all over 1 inch. As you can see, the unit inch will be cancelled. So what is left will be centimeters. Then perform the indicated operation. So 53.5 times 2.54 divided by 1, that is equal to 136. So in 53.5 inches, there are 136 centimeters. Example 2. How many feet are there in 21.7 kilometers? For the given, measurement in kilometers, which is 21.7 kilometers. Then for the required, measurement expressed in feet. So we will convert kilometer to feet. Then for the solution, first, we need to look for the metric and English conversion. As you can see, there is no direct conversion of kilometer to feet. So, we can convert first kilometer to meter, then meter to inch, then inch to feet. So, that is now kilometer to meter, meter to inch, and inch to feet. So, we all know that in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. Then, in 1 meter, there are 39.37 inches. Then, 12 inch or 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Then, that will now be, so 21.7 kilometers times, so first, we will convert it into meter. So, the conversion factor of kilometer to meter, 1,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, or that is 1,000 meter all over 1 kilometer. Then from meter, we will convert it into inches. So 39.37 inches all over 1 meter. Then from inches, we will convert it into feet. So 1 foot all over 12 inches. As you can see, the units kilometer, meter, and inches will be cancelled. So what is left will be feet. Then perform the indicated operation. So that is now 21.7 kilometers times 1,000 times 39.37 times 1 divided by 1 times 1 times 12. That is equal to 71,194.08333 feet. Or, that is approximately 7.12 times 10 raised to 4 feet. And last example, how many teaspoons are there in a 1 liter of soda? For the given, measurement in liter. Then, for the required, measurement expressed in teaspoon. So, we will convert liter to teaspoon. For the solution, again, we need to look for the metric and English conversions. Since there is no direct conversion of liter to teaspoon, then we can convert first liter to milliliter, then milliliter to teaspoon. So we all know that in 1 liter, there are 1,000 milliliters. Then, 4.93 ml, that is equal to 1 teaspoon. Then, solve now. So, 1 liter times the conversion, which is 1,000 ml all over 1 liter, times 1 teaspoon all over 4.93 ml. So, we will cancel the units liter and milliliter. So, what will be left will be teaspoon. So, 1 times 1,000 times 1 divided by 1 times 4.93, that is equal to 202.8397566 teaspoons. Or approximately that is equal to 2.03 times 10 squared teaspoons. So that is about measurements and changing units of measurements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something.